Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about Bitcoin, about bullish market, about price of Bitcoin, what's going on in crypto market and my opinion about it in general. All I want to say is congratulations to everyone who holds Bitcoin. We finally broke $55,000 and finally, September finished. As you know, September was the worst month for crypto historically, and now it's October, and October and November promise to be really good months. Let's look on CoinMarketCap as usually at the charts, and let's see that price of Bitcoin trading right now on $54,000, and it's up by 5% just in 24 hours and in 25% by 7 days. And as you can see, volume trading is $46 billion. So let's look at the price right now, guys. As you understand, we're so close to reach new all-time high because Bitcoin just reached 55k earlier today to post a new 5 months high with a near 10% gain over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin has managed to breach the key resistance of 55k but couldn't hold onto, and now we're trading at $54,000. Bitcoin is looking to take a bullish momentum of the second week of October to extend the gains. However, 55k remains a key resistance before Bitcoin can move into the sub 60k price zone and retest its all-time high. Let's look at the crypto fear and greed index, and you can see that we are on 76, which is extreme greed, and let's recall that last week was extreme fear 20. So we are representing extreme greed among traders. After bearish September months when Bitcoin lost more than 20% of its valuation, the fear and greed index has reached extreme fear, as visible from above chart. Until last week, the market sentiment was more bearish than bullish. Anyway, Bitcoin not just regained all losses from the last months, but managed to break 55k resistance and now looks to consolidate above it. Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 64k on April 14, and it's currently down by 17% from the top, a gap that can be easily covered in a bullish rally by the top cryptocurrency. Market analysts believe that clear break above 55k will leave little resistance to all-time high. Also guys, don't forget to join Bybit through my link and get your $600 bonus. All you have to do, go below my video, click on this link, and it's take 20 seconds to sign up and get your 600 there. Also guys, let's look at the Bitcoin news and talk about price prediction a little bit. So here you can see that at the same time Bitcoin's move above 55k prove that buyers have that it takes to close the gap to 60k. And the market could be gripped with the fear of missing out, where investors' risk appetite expands significantly. So here guys, you can see Bitcoin intraday levels, which is support rate 54k, almost 55. Trend is short-term bearish bias. Volatility is low, resistance is 56k, and support is 54k. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter because there I have really interesting information to share with you, of course, about crypto, some crypto news, crypto memes, and just my thoughts. For example, as this tweet, Bitcoin dominance has grown to 45% and the total asset capitalization has exceeded to $1 trillion. Also guys, let's look at this interesting tweet about Bitcoin has become the 6th largest asset in the world by capitalization. To the first place, the price needs to grow 2.5 times, and I think it's not just possible, it's already inevitable. And let's look closely. Apple, of course, the first one. Bitcoin is 6th one. Apple has market cap, you see how much, and here you can see how much Bitcoin should grow to get the first one. Also guys, here I made really interesting tweet for people who are living in Dubai, for crypto people, about blockchain and crypto events in Dubai in October, November 2021. You can open here, we can see that we have 8 blockchain and cryptocurrency events in Dubai just in 1 month, so be sure you can be there, book your tickets, and I'll see you in Dubai. That was my short video today about Bitcoin in general, and as I said before, congratulations to everyone. I think Bitcoin going to the new all-time high, and it will hit it really soon. So thank you everyone for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my video. I really appreciate your support and I love you guys so much. See you in my next video.